If you are still paying monthly for stock photos or using the same boring business images everyone else uses, this video will save you time and money. Because today I am reviewing a tool that lets you create unlimited professional business images without paying for AI subscriptions and without watermarks. Let's get into it. Quick verdict first. Business AI Image Kit is simple, it works, and it is actually useful. This is not another shiny AI tool with a fancy dashboard. It is a done-for-you system that helps you create realistic business images fast, and you can even resell it with PLR rights. If you create content, funnels, or digital products, this is worth a serious look. So, what exactly is Business AI Image Kit? Business AI Image Kit is a PLR product that teaches you how to create professional business images using free AI tools. You get a step-by-step image creation guide, done-for-you prompts, access to a free AI image generator, and a full PLR license. This is perfect for affiliate marketers, bloggers, funnel builders, agency owners, or anyone who needs visuals regularly. The main problem it solves is simple. Most people do not know how to write good AI image prompts, and bad prompts create bad images. This kit fixes that. Now let me quickly explain how this works on screen. Inside the members area, you start with the guide. The guide shows you how to structure prompts properly. It uses a simple formula: subject, environment, lighting, camera. You can follow the guide step by step, or skip reading and use the ready-made prompts. Next, you copy a prompt, paste it into a free AI image tool, click Generate. In seconds, you get 4 high-quality images. No watermark, no credits. You can refresh and generate as many images as you want. That is it. Simple, fast, effective. Now let's talk about the optional upgrades. The front-end price during launch is $17. After launch, it goes up to $27. OTO1 is the Business AI Characters Kit for $27. This gives you prompts to create 2D and 3D business characters, great for branding and mascots. OTO2 is the Business AI Illustrations Kit for $27. This includes illustration prompts for niches like SEO, email marketing, affiliate marketing, and e-commerce. OTO3 is the Business AI Promo Banners Kit for $27. This is for creating seasonal discount and promo banners. All upgrades also come with PLR rights. Now this is important. If you buy through the link below, you get my bonus stock. Here are just some of the bonuses you will receive. Bonus 1, WP Swift Page Plugin. Improve site speed and reduce bounce rate. Bonus 2, Keyword Research Ninja. Find profitable keywords faster. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Turn Facebook leads into email subscribers. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside emails and pages. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Improve ad and funnel conversion rates. Bonus 6, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse sales pages across multiple funnels. Bonus 7, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Build your email list with smart opt-in bars. Bonus 8, Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A complete video course on affiliate marketing. Bonus 9, Backlinks Warrior. Find quality backlinks for better rankings. Bonus 10, 100 ready-made niche blogs. Instant websites for traffic and monetization. These bonuses are delivered automatically after purchase, and I will mention them again before we wrap up. Final verdict. Business AI Image Kit is not hype. It is practical, beginner-friendly, and flexible. You can use it for your own business or rebrand and resell it using PLR rights. Remember, launch pricing is limited. The front-end price will increase, and bonus availability is limited to a short window. If you want all bonuses, do not wait. Click the link below now. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment if you have questions. To get Business AI Image Kit plus the full bonus stock I showed you, click the link below this video. Bonuses are delivered inside the members area. No extra steps needed. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next review.